Hey, good morning. It's Thursday. For English today, you need to take the iStation test for the month of November. It is a test, so you need to make sure you take it seriously and carefully because it's going to give you scores and we'll look for some improvement. When you get done with that, you have a DOL posted in Google Classroom and ELA. You're going to do Monday and Tuesday. Out to the side of the sentences on sentence 1 and 2 on Monday, and on sentence 3 and 4 on Tuesday, you have circled how many mistakes there are in that sentence. So again, you're looking for capital letters that weren't, things that weren't capitalized, or misspelled words, or maybe the grammar's bad, punctuation. And you have two sentences that actually need quotation marks. Quotation marks are those little marks that look like commas floating in the air, and you always put those around words that come out of someone's mouth. So make sure that you do that, and if you get that wrong, we'll talk more about it, but that's what you need to do. They also have context clues to determine the meaning. That means you can't look it up in a dictionary or on your iPad. You have to just read the sentence and figure out what that word means. Fact or fiction. Fact means it's something that's actually true. It happened, like saying today the sky was blue. It's not up to debate. Some people wouldn't say a different color. It is blue. And fiction means it didn't really happen. Like if you said, I went to the moon in a tin can. Okay, well that's fiction. You didn't really do that. So that's a difference. Fact means it really could happen and maybe did happen, and fiction means it's just made up. It's not real. You have a question on a synonym. Remember, a synonym means a word that means the same. You have to put things in alphabetical order. When the first word is all the same, like on your paper, then you go to the next letter. Sort of like if it's a tie, you have to go to the next letter and see which of those second letters would come in first. You have more corrections on Tuesday, and then the last thing you do is a pronoun. Pronouns are just words that take the place of a noun. Instead of saying my name, I would say I, or I would say me. So you have to find the right pronoun for that. Okay, and that's all you're doing for English. For social studies, your reading ReadWorks that's been scheduled, and it'll be under Google Classroom Social Studies. You have to read the article, and then you have multiple choice questions and a couple of short answer questions. So make sure that you do that. If you have any other time today and you want something else to do, you can work on your IXLs from today. That's 01 and 01, 02. If you're just bored and want something to do, you could go ahead and do 3 and 4, but you don't have to. I think that's it. Carson, I know that I've sent you home your folder, so you are going to work on the Egyptian gods. You're going to put facts down inside of those, and you're going to look at that. There's a link that says Egyptian gods in Google Classroom and Social Studies. Okay, if you have any questions, you need to email me. I'm not going to be at school today, but I'll still try to answer you and get to a computer and answer you if you have questions, okay? So let me know if you have any problems, and I think that's it for today. So have a good Thursday. Remember that there's no school on Friday, so you won't have to do any assignments on Friday. You'll have that day off, okay? All right, have a good day. Let me know if you need any help. Bye.